Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing, actually haul from Plum Paper. You guys, Plum Paper has been a requested size for my shop for a long time, so I went ahead and just took the plunge and ordered some Plum Paper planners, and today I'm gonna have them here and haul them for you guys, because a lot of you guys were like, girl, can we get some Plum Paper sizing? And I was like, ugh, let me try. Let me see if my stickers work on it at a glance. If not, I can always tweak and change some of the stickers that I already own to fit this particular size. But I'm here to do it for you guys because I love you guys and I always want to accommodate you guys as much as possible. And since Plum Paper has been like the #1 like popular planner for an alternative to an Erin Condren, I was like, might as well get it through. Quick disclaimer, if you hear my printers or my machines, I'm just working here and I gotta multitask. But anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and flip you guys around. I'm gonna go ahead and haul them and give you a glance of how these planners look, and then hopefully at the end I can go ahead and just lay some of my washi down so you guys can see how it'll actually fit compared to an Erin Condren monthly planner. So if you're interested, go ahead and stay watching. I do have two sizes. I bought an A5 and then I bought just a regular 7x9 monthly, so those are the ones that are gonna be hauling. All right, so here is the box. So I went on the Plum Paper website and I chose their monthly planner and their A5 planner, and they made me go through the website and choose my customizations and any add-ons that I want. However, I went really basic, you guys. I chose my cover, and then I chose the color theme. I think they have three. They have like a neutral, a modern, and their basic colorway. And then for everything else, the only thing that I did was just add like my name to the covers, I believe, and then everything that they wanted me to pick over, I didn't choose any add-ons, nothing, just because I never do, even on the Erin Condren website. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. The shipping did take a minute. I know they had, I think I ordered this in June and they're like, it's not gonna come into July. And then even after that, I got an email saying, hey, you know, the estimated times for shipping due to COVID kind of might be extended or whatnot. So that's how that ended up going. For them, I'm not sure if they have coupon codes. I did ask around, asking people if they had any like discount referral codes. Most of them said no, so I don't know if you can get any discounts on Plum Paper. I know I didn't, but I think everything came out to be like $70–80. I'm not sure, but here it is. This is how the front looks. It comes with this beautiful card. It says Plum Paper for you, and here is how it's packaged. You do get some bubble mailer stuff, and then here are my planners. So I did choose two. I did get a A5, which comes individually wrapped as well, and then I got a 7x9. And let's get started with this one, since this is 7x9 monthly planner that Plum Paper offers. They have tons of covers for you to choose from. I just went ahead and went with like this kind of paint abstract thing because it's just my kind of life that I love, my kind of style. So anywho, this one comes with a protective film, like a acetate thick plastic that comes on top of your normal cover, so your normal cover is like unprotected, but it is from that unterrible kind of material that their business cards had. And all I did was just put my name in a big old circle. So yeah, that's that. So when we open it, this is how it is. It says monthly planner, Plum Paper, and then you know, you can put your name here, and it says made in the US, so yay us. Then we go into the calendar overview. We have 2021 at a glance, so January through December. And then when we flip it, we have the year of 2022, so you do get 2 years at a glance here. And when we flip over, this is where I consider it to be like the goal section, like Erin Condren has, where you do get your year at a glance in boxes. I wouldn't use it for special dates like everything else. I don't use these front pages. Just recently in my monthly planner I have, just to keep track of everything. Once I finish my yearly budget, I can go back and add everything up, but usually these pages go unmarked for me. But those are the beginnings, and then you go ahead and flip into the months. I did go ahead and choose this to start in August, and right here, as you guys can see, it's just a solid color and the month. Down here, no quotes, no decor, no nothing. And then we flip in here, and then you start your paper. So here is your dashboard. I am not a fan of dashboards. I don't like dashboards. I don't use dashboards. I rip them out. However, I won't be able to rip these out since these are my tabs. So this will just go on blank. But right after your dashboard, you do get a notes pages with the month here at the top. And then you go into your calendar. I will say though, this paper feels extra thin. Like extra thin. And it's very smooth. Almost like a... I want to say like it's not glossy coating, but it's very thin and smooth. And I'm not sure how pen will be good for this paper, but yeah, no, very thin paper right here. But anyway, here is the month at a glance. You do get it in the color code of the month here. You do get your future month at a glance here, and you do get a side section for notes. And then you start your notes pages. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and plus the one that you had at the beginning of the month, 12. So you technically have 12 pages. I will note that Plum paper has the month printed on every single notes pages, and that can be irritating because you would have to white out every single time you use it. Not a big fan of that, but yeah, you do get 12 notes pages. Very simple and straight through. Dashboard and a monthly calendar, just like in Erin Condren. You do get a dashboard, you do get a monthly view, and then you get like 10, 11 notes pages with in between. So this is it. The biggest difference that I find is that the coil is super thin compared to an Erin Condren. So if we go and look at my Erin Condren and we look at the Plum paper, that is the difference in coil sizes. I don't think I was able to choose a coil color. Don't quote me on that since I'm very new to Plum paper. However, here is how they both look side by side. If anything, I would say that the Plum paper is longer. I don't know if you guys can tell it. It looks longer, but it's because of the cover. The cover extends a lot more than what an Erin Condren does. So the Erin Condren lets you see your tabs, as to the Plum paper, it does not. It protects your tabs. Other difference, if you guys are interested, is that the Erin Condren comes with your cover already laminated and protected, so there's nothing to harm your cover. Unlike the Plum paper, you do have the protective sleeve, and then your cover is right behind it. Then we move forward. If we look at the planners, Erin Condren is very bold, very colorful, very bright palette. As the Plum paper, I think these are new palette ways, but they are fun colors. I like them. They're muted but still bright, but these are like really bold in your face kind of scenario. However, I can tell that Plum paper goes for more of a green aesthetic throughout their planner. As you guys can see, it's just like very green theme, at least for the front covers, whereas Erin Condren is very colorful, and they go ahead and have design themes for each year. So like for this one, it was layers. The one that we're going to go moving into is going to be mid-century circles or flora. And then this is the difference between their boxes for their goals or special events and dates. As you guys can see, Plum paper has these long vertical columns, whereas Erin Condren offers like big thick ones. Here, however, Plum paper does have them labeled through the month, or I have to put my own stickers because I can make it however I want. Yeah, if you guys are interested, here is the difference in tabs. Kind of similar, pretty nice. Only thing that's different is that Erin Condren offers quotes and design patterns, whereas Plum paper is very solid, simple, and plain. But the one thing I do want to know you might not like, especially if you've been an Erin Condren user, is their paper. Their paper is thin. You can straight out tell that, well, we all know that this is Mohawk 80-pound paper. It's like matte, and there's a tooth to it, a grip to it. Like you can feel like there's texture to this. Your pen just cannot glide through it. You know, it's good. This one, I feel like it's like writing on tab what do you say, on tab paper, like on the tab ones here where there's this smooth coating here, like that's what these feel like, and they feel thin. I'm not sure what the pound paper this feels, but I feel like it would be like 20-pound paper. It feels like 20-pound paper. This is 80-pound paper. It feels like 25-pound paper. I'm not gonna lie, that's what it feels. I haven't done a pen test, but I feel like if I would write on here, I feel like there would be ghosting or whatnot. But other than that, simple, straightforward, nothing to it. Just once you start moving through your months, the colorway in your pages does shift with it. So for September there is the green, October is some type of peach, November is gold, December is like a blue, and you get a navy, and then you restart your colors again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 colorway. There's a 6 colorway here, and then it just restarts once you hit your 6 months. As for my stickers, will they work on the Plum paper? I'm not sure. I can try. Let's see if the sticker will fit. Not sure why it wouldn't. Ooh. Definitely, I would say that the Erin Condren has more length in its line pages than the Plum paper. Here is a big gap in between the seam of the coil and into the planner. So this is the length of what the Erin Condren lines are, and if you can see, you are missing a good chunk. I wouldn't say that my stickers work on the Plum paper just because my stickers do extend the length of the Erin Condren notes pages, and this one has a huge gap over here, so there'd be such a huge overhang. I don't think people would like that. So that is for the Plum paper. Now, I did get questions, would I do washies and budget kits for the Plum paper? I did have that in mind. However, with the overhang, I thought the only thing I had to do was design the monthly kit and be good to go and have my washi and my budget kits fit on here. However, with this extra like gap between the seams, my stickers would not work with it, and I would not redesign everything just to lengthen it. Oh, you guys, this is gonna be an issue. I mean, I didn't think it was gonna be such a drastic change, but there are specific dimensions that this planner has that I would have to like redesign, and redesigning to me is not something I want to do, especially how thick the washi is supposed to be. I don't want to make my washi thick anymore because, like I said, real estate on sticker paper, especially my sticker paper, which is really expensive, I don't want to be wasting it and leaving gaps in between, and then shortening my stickers just doesn't make sense to me at all. Okay, sorry, I'm such a party pooper, maybe because this is not my planner, and I thought I would be able to use this planner, but I'm not. I don't like the paper, I don't like the layout, and I'm annoyed that the line pages are shortened and gapped, and there's such a huge gapping here. So yeah, that is the monthly Plum paper planner, and I'm gonna go ahead and move to the next. As you guys know, Erin Condren came out with the A5. There was such a big hype about it. I got one and I love it. However, I was very upset that they didn't have an A5 monthly. However, it looks like Plum paper does have an A5 monthly, and that's the one I bought. It's actually one that I'm very interested in, especially now since I'm debt free and I don't really need that much space for a lot of my budgeting stuff. I don't have much. I don't have bills. I don't have a lot of expenses, so an A5 kind of is perfect for me. So if there was a contender to my 7x9 Erin Condren, this would be it. Here's the coil, here's the protective sleeve, and then here is how it starts. So it is a monthly planner. You do get the same thing that you would get in their 7x9 version. You do get the special dates. Just this one starts in July, since I bought it in June expecting it to get it in July. However, it only shipped in July and I just now got it. But anywho, you do get the dashboard. same layout. You do get the notes pages and you do get the calendar. The calendar kind of feels squished and very elongated, but it's on here. And then here are the notes pages again. You do get the same amount of notes pages as you would in your 7x9, and like usual, you do get the month on every single page. Now, I want to know if I know for my A5 monthly kit, it won't work. The monthly layout for Plum papers are very thin and short, but I'm wondering if my stickers would work for it. I know I don't have any A5 size washi or anything like that. That could be something I can arrange if you guys have a Plum paper A5. Not so much an A5 Erin Condren because there's not a monthly planner, and there are no notes pages in there that you could have a full budget layout in case you were trying to have one. But yeah, here is the A5. I'm not sure why, but I kind of feel disappointed or very anticlimactic on Plum paper. And like the one thing that I can really just distinct just by flipping through it is the paper. It's very smooth. I'm not against it, but it's different. But yeah, this is the Plum paper. And then in the back, I didn't even go all the way to the back, you guys. I'm so sorry. You do get dot grid pages. You get a contacts page. And then you get your 2023 year at a glance, and you do get a pocket. And just so you guys can see how that will look in your 7x9, go ahead and pull this out all the way to the back. After we end up with July, you do get your dot grid pages. You get 4. You get the contacts page, year 2023, and then your pocket again. So yeah, that is the Plum paper monthly planners. Honestly, going and flipping through them, I do not want to do kits for the Plum paper. However, if you're very adamant on wanting them, please let me know down in the comment section. I need to know the request for them because I cannot have all planner sizes in my shop. It's just not possible. The volume, I cannot handle that much, and I can't keep designing for items that are not in demand because it's a lot of time that I can be using for other things. But let me know if Plum paper is like your die-hard everyday planner and you would like kits from my shop to fit your Plum papers. I might do the A5 one. I might, because I feel like this is a good size for me, especially now. However, Erin Condren is the love of my life right now. I can't let go of that planner, and I love their Mohawk paper. This paper is something new that I had to get used to, but it's a gorgeous planner regardless. Alright, sorry for being such a negative Nancy. New planners are always hard to fall in love with. I know I never find planner peace in my life planners, whether it's Erin Condren, Happy Planner, Ring planners. I'm always undecisive, Hobonichis. And same can go for a monthly planner. After like years, like 3 years of budgeting with Erin Condren, it's hard to move away and try new things. But let me know in the comments down below. Let me hear your demands, because oh my god, I am very on the fence. But if you guys wanna, let me know. I swear I will try for you. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.